In the standard model of particle physics, we are taught that atoms are the same size no matter where we are in space. However, particle physics is incomplete and is incompatible with basic physics principles, as I explained in other videos. And two of the reasons we know that atoms are different sizes in different regions of the universe is explained in my videos about how time dilation works at the quantum level and how neostring theory fixes the neutral H problem in the Sun. And another reason we know the size of atoms vary is due to astronauts seeing flashes of light when they try to go beyond close Earth orbit. And this is similar to a process called sonoluminescence, where light is emitted from bubbles in water when sound travels through them. You see, our biological bodies are designed to run processes where our atoms are the size they are at Earth's surface. And if we were to try and leave close Earth orbit, our biological processes would start to dysfunction and break down. And we saw the first signs of this dysfunction when the astronauts in the International Space Station tried to get beyond close Earth orbit. As they went further from Earth's surface, their atoms began to become smaller due to space-time contraction, where the fabric of space starts to experience less stress. This means atoms become less stretched, so they're smaller. And for water molecules, it means that the paths of electrons and positrons cross more than on Earth's surface. So they smash together and send out high energy in the forms of flashes of light. And we know the radiation isn't from the radiation in the Van Allen belts, because that radiation doesn't cause us to see lights. It travels through us in wavelengths which are beyond visible light. This light was coming from water molecules inside the astronauts' eyes. And it is another reason we know that men never got to the moon. And for anyone who still believes that men went to the moon, because they're intimidated by the king's new clothes tactics, which is, if you disagree with us, you're stupid and paranoid. If you still believe that, see my 1-hour video where I go through lots of different scientific evidence for why it is impossible for humans to go to the moon. It is one of the lies blinding some of the greatest scientific minds from understanding the physics beyond the standard model, and from experimenting with the phenomenal new technologies which the new physics reveal. And ironically, it is possible that many of the top scientists working for NASA, who are not aware that the moon landings were faked, are also blinded from the new physics, with the result that it is holding back NASA's own workforce. And in a sense, NASA continue to shoot themselves in the foot the longer this lie is kept up.